Welcome to Cab's Kitchen. Today, we're going to prepare a delightful dessert that's perfect for any occasion: fruit custard. It's a refreshing and creamy treat that combines the goodness of fruits with the richness of custard. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need: 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 cups of mixed fruits. We're using a delicious combination of banana, apple, cherry, green grapes, black grapes, and orange. To start, we'll take our 2 cups of milk and pour it into a saucepan. As our custard gently simmers, let's prep our tapioca pearls. Bring water to boil, add pearls, stir occasionally. After 5-10 mins, test softness. Drain, rinse under cold water. Now back to custard, ready for our chewy pearls. With tapioca pearls prepared, our dessert is one step closer to perfection. Now we'll add our powdered milk to the saucepan. This will help thicken our custard and give it a creamy texture. Next, we'll add in our sugar. Adjust the amount according to your taste preferences. While our custard base is simmering, let's prepare our mixed fruits. We'll start by washing them thoroughly. Now, we'll slice our fruits into bite-sized pieces. Today, we're using a colorful assortment of fruits to add sweetness and texture to our custard. Our custard is now thick and creamy, just the way we want it. Let's turn off the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. After chilling for about an hour, our custard is ready to be served. It's beautifully thickened and bursting with fruity goodness. Absolutely delightful. And there you have it, a delicious and refreshing fruit custard that's sure to impress your family and friends. Enjoy! Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today. We'll see you next time with another tasty recipe. Happy cooking!